Hi, good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Ms. Farah's online classroom. Happy Thursday. The week is almost over. And y'all have been doing such a good job sending me all of your work. And thank you, parents, for doing that for the kids. It really helps me to make sure that everybody's on topic and doing what they need to be doing and giving y'all feedback if there's something that's wrong. But everybody's been doing so well. I can definitely tell that y'all have been working hard at home, and it's really great to see. So this morning we're going to go over our sight words really quickly and just go over what we're going to be doing for the day, and then I'm going to read y'all a very good book that I like a lot. So let's get started. So first things first, our sight words today. Remember, we love to go over our sight words every day just because we want to make sure that we're remembering them, and we have our sight word test tomorrow, so we want to make sure that everybody's been practicing all week. All right, let's get this glare off a little bit. Okay, it's kind of hard to see, but today is Thursday, which means that yesterday was Wednesday, and tomorrow will be Friday. Very good. It is April 16th, 2020. So remember, April is the month, 16 is the day of the month, and 2020 is the year. All right, our sight words really quick. We have number one is no. Is this no like no, don't do that, or I know something? Very good. It's I know something, right? So it's I know. K-N-O-W, no. Number two is out, like let's go out. O-U-T, out. Number three is same, S-A-M-E. Remember, we have that silent E, so it's going to change the A to a different sound. Number four, I'm going to lift this up so you can see it a little bit better. Number four, we have take, T-A-K-E, take, like take that away. And number five, we have many, like there are many students, M-A-N-Y, many. All right, number six, we have right. Now remember, this isn't right like I write my name. This is do right or wrong, or take a right. R-I-G-H-T, right. And remember, this is the I that we were talking about yesterday. So this I changes to make a I sound, so right. Only three sounds, but there's more letters, so we need to make sure that we know that. Number seven is home, H-O-M-E. Like, where are you right now? You're at home. Very good. All right, number eight, we have that I again that we need to watch out for because the E changes the I to an I sound. So like, L-I-K-E. Remember, the E is silent. You don't say the E, but you have to spell it. Number nine is day, D-A-Y, day. Number 10 is down, D-O-W-N, down. So these sight words are a little bit more difficult than the ones that we were doing at school, but that's only because we are practicing our first grade sight words. So we want to make sure that we're doing a great job with them and practicing every day. Sorry about that. Okay, so today we're going to be doing a lot of stuff. We're going to finish our writing for the week about our animal that we chose, and you're going to take a picture and send it to Ms. Farah. Also in math today, very quickly, I did want to go over, we're doing subtraction again. So yesterday we did subtraction, and I gave y'all a little video that you could watch about it and some worksheets that you can do. But today it's really important that we're writing out our subtraction. So parents can give you two numbers or they can write it out for you, and I want you to finish it by yourself. So try your hardest to do it. You can do this by adding pictures or however you need to visualize it. That's perfectly fine. So if I was going to say 8 minus 4 equals, so I would do 8. So if maybe I can't think about it, I could use my hands, right? So I hold up 8. So I have 8, and we take away 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. How many do I have left? Very good, I have 4. So that's something very easy that we can do with our hands if it's less than 10. It's very good. All right, now say that we have one that is a number that's bigger than 10. So maybe we start with 15 minus 5 equals what? So if I can't do it with my hands, maybe I could draw a picture to help me figure out what it is. So I could say 15 dots, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So if I put 15 dots on here, and how many dots do I need to take away? You're going to take away 5. So I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then how many would I have left? How many should I put over here? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'd write 10 right here. So this is how I want to make sure that we're writing our subtraction today. So I want you to try to do it 5 times by yourself, if you can. Not maybe your parents could help you just a little bit, but I want you to try to show me what you know. So that way that if we need to review anything tomorrow, we definitely can. All right. Lots to do today. Miss Adams is going to post for science today. We love doing science with Miss Adams. She has the best stuff that we can figure out how to do. And in social studies today, I want you to make a graphic organizer about a community helper. So just like we did for our writing, you just write about what a community helper does. So pick one that you like. So Miss Vera is going to pick a nurse because our nurses are very important right now. They're helping us get through this virus that we have going on. So I'll put a nurse in the middle. And remember, you always want to do your bubble after you write the words, that way that you're not having to scrunch your words up into really small. So what does a nurse do? They help the doctor, right? Okay, they help doctors. What else could they do? What else do they do? They help sick people. So help sick people. Very good. And where do they work? Yeah, they work in a hospital. So work in a hospital. Very good. So this is just a quick idea of what you can do. It's called bubble maps. You can do it like that. Anything that you want to do to try to organize what each person does. So pick the person that you wanted and write about it so that way that I can see that we understand what each person does. And it helps me know what y'all are doing at home. Very important though, we need to be doing our Imagine Learning twice a day if we can. If you need your login information, let me know and I can send it to you. But it's really important that we're doing our Imagine Reading in the morning and our Imagine Math in the afternoon. It's different for everybody, so it's going to help you at your level that you're at. So I just want to really make sure that we're trying our hardest to get that done, just so that way that we're not falling behind. And I know it's a little difficult for everybody to get online, so sometimes, you might have a brother or sister that needs to do it. So whenever you can get it done throughout the day is great, and I love it. It makes me very, very happy. All right, I'm going to read y'all a book. It's called A Stroll Through the Seasons. So I chose this book today because our seasons are a little bit crazy in Texas, right? Yeah, it's really cold outside right now, and it shouldn't be cold because it's what season? Can anybody tell me? It's fall. No, it's spring. It's springtime, and so it's kind of crazy how Texas kind of fluctuates, but we're going to read A Stroll Through the Seasons just to have a little refresher of what seasons that we have, and it's a fun read aloud. All right, this one is written by Kay Barnham and illustrated by Maddie Frost. So remember, the author writes the book and the illustrator draws the pictures. All right. Did you know that our planets are tilted? This means that sometimes we are closer to the sun, sometimes we are further away, and sometimes we are somewhere in between. This is why we have spring, summer, fall, and winter. Are you ready to take a stroll through the seasons? In spring, the sun rises earlier and sets later. So the days grow longer and there's more daylight to enjoy. Meanwhile, the weather gets warmer. It is often sunny and bright, but it can be wet and windy too, so don't forget your umbrella. So this is the season we're in right now, and it's still a little rainy for us, but it's a little cold too. So Texas is a little bit different sometimes. When the sun shines in spring, plants and trees begin to grow. You can see the new shoots and leaves everywhere. Fruit trees are decorated with blossoms. Bluebells carpet the woods with color. Daffodils dance in the breeze. So that's why we planted our seeds, because they grow better in the spring, right? All right. Spring brings new life, and baby birds hatch at the farm. Lambs bounce around. Watch out for piglets. Calves and ducklings, too. Frog eggs float in ponds and streams. These tiny creatures will soon grow into tadpoles and then frogs. Summer is the hottest season of all. This is when we are closest to the sun. In the middle of summer, the days are very long. There is daylight when you wake up, and it still might be light outside when you go to bed. So this is what we're about to go into. We're about to go into summer. In summer, the extra means that plants flourish. Trees are soon covered with leaves, and grass grows quickly. Flowers bloom in gardens, and in the countryside too. Watch as the sunflowers slowly turn their heads to face the sun. So remember, we planted sunflowers and they move their faces depending on where the sun is. Butterflies, dragonflies, and ladybugs flutter through the summer months. Bees buzz, crickets chirp, insects carry pollen from flower to flower, so plants can grow again until next year. How many critters can you spot? So how many different animals or bugs do you see? Lots of them. In fall, the earth shifts and we move away from the sun. This means that the days grow shorter and the weather gets cooler again. Sometimes it is sunny and warm, but watch out for rain, fog, frost, and wind too. Colorful fall leaves flutter to the ground. They crackle and crunch underfoot. Soon these trees will be bare. Other trees keep their green leaves all year round. These trees are called evergreens. In fall, furry animals grow thicker coats. Squirrels hide nuts in safe places. Flocks of birds fly south, making patterns in the sky. They are going to warmer places where they will spend the winter months. In the winter, the sun rises late and sets early. Winter days are the shortest and coldest of all. This is because we are further from the sun. The weather may be wet and windy, or it may be frosty and bright. There might even be snow. In winter, there is less sunlight, which plants need in order to grow. Most plants take a break, like this oak tree, but some plants keep growing. Snowdrops are tiny white flowers. They bloom even when there is snow on the ground. Many animals find it hard to survive the winter chill. The cold weather also means there is less food. Squirrels eat the nuts that they hid in the autumn. Some animals settle down for a long sleep called hibernation. When they wake up, it will be spring once more. The end. So that just is a quick little refresher about our seasons. All right, well, it was great to see y'all today, and I love talking to y'all on the phone. I've gotten to do that with some of y'all this week. So if you want to talk to me, just give me a phone call or let your parents know, and we can set up a FaceTime. But other than that, y'all have a great day, and let me know if you have any questions or you need anything, okay? All right, I miss all of you so much. Have a great day. All right, bye.